Hello, my name is Nate. Welcome to my art channel. I'm working on a 24 by 24 inch deep edge canvas, and I'm going to be working with just paint and water today, and I'm going to do a bit of a landscape. For this technique, it's really important that you put down at least one, preferably two coats of gesso onto your canvas. Even if it already comes pre-gessoed, you really want to seal in the pores on the fabric. So I've tried out a brand new gesso to me. It's a brand that's sold locally here in Costa Rica. And gessos come in different consistencies and all that kind of stuff. This one was kind of a medium consistency. I thought I would be able to use it at its original consistency. Normally I would thin it out and do multiple coats, but I thought I'd try it as it came right in the tub. And even using a sponge to try and smooth it out, it left some little streaks. So I've used a sandpaper on it, and I can't feel any streaks, but I can see them. So I'm not sure how it's going to affect what I'm going to do today, but we'll work with it and see how it goes. It'll be a good test to see whether this gesso is one I want to continue using, or if I just need to thin it out and put in multiple coats in order to get the smooth, clean feel that I need. So let me go through my colors. I'm working with Pebeo Studio Acrylics Sap Green, and to this I've added a little bit of quinacridone Burnt Orange. Orange into green gives it a warm tone and makes it a little bit kind of a mossy color. So mixed up, it looks like this. So it's a nice, really dark army green. And then I have some Folk Art Treasure Gold Green Gold, which I think is a beautiful color also. And it has some really beautiful metallic shine. I've never used a metallic in this kind of technique, so I'm interested to see how that goes. I have some quinacridone Nickel Azo Gold, which is a beautiful deep orange color like this, but when it gets thinned out, it goes more orange. Then I have Amsterdam, which one is this one? This one is Gold Ochre. And last but not least, I did mix up a little bit of the quinacridone Burnt Orange, but it's very red, almost like a dark brick red color. So I'm not sure how much of this I'm going to use. I might use a little bit. I'm not going to be using a paintbrush to put it down. I'm going to be using a couple of pipettes that I have available to me here. I do have some brushes. If I want to do some brush work, I have some available to me. Mostly I'm just going to put it on, wet down my canvas, and then allow the paints to flow and travel out. And I want to do a bit of a landscape. So I'm going to start right about here. But the first thing I'm going to do is give myself a tape line, so below where I'm going to work, so that I can get at least a fairly straight line. It doesn't have to be perfect, but giving myself something to work from. Let's see how close I got just by eyeballing it. That's 16.5 centimeters, and that's 17, so fairly close. Let's just adjust a little bit. Much better. Okay, so I'm going to work above that. I'm going to use my pipette, and I'm going to put down a little bit of this quinacridone Nickel Azo Gold. Now, all of my paints are mixed 2 parts water to 1 part paint. And I'm just going to go in a straight line most of the way across. Leave a little bit of a gap in the center. We want our paints to be very fluid and saturated with water. And I'm going to add more water to the canvas. So these paints are going to be very transparent. Okay. I'm not even going to rinse that out. I'm just going to go directly into my yellow gold. I'm just going to put some hints of that up in here and also through here. Do the same down and through here. Maybe a little bit more. And let's see here, we'll go with the green gold next. Drop a little bit in here, in between. Maybe a little bit in here. Nice. We're going to stop right there for now. I'm going to remove my tape because I don't need it anymore. It was just a guide to get a line. There we go. Ooh, these colors are pretty. I'm saving my darkest green for the second step. So let's go ahead and add some water here to this top area. And you see how this water is just sitting on top of this canvas. That gesso has filled in all of the pores, so it's not soaking in. It's all just sitting right on top. It's probably enough for now. I'm just going to use my hands to spread that out a little bit. I am going to paint. When this is done, I'm going to paint a border around it. So I'm not too worried about the edges so much. Now let's get that a little bit closer. And we'll start connecting it soon.
The shadows of this quiet town, I see you there, your feathers on the ground. Your eyes are heavy with the weight of the world. What's in the life you never could offer? Even if you never flown before, you can take a chance and try once more. Don't let your worries weigh you down, down, down. You can still take flight, although you're earthbound. To rise above these crowds, stuck in the dust of the life that you found, with nowhere to go, no higher ground. Even if you never flown before, you can take a chance and try once more. Don't let your worries weigh you down, down, down. You can still take flight, although you're earthbound. can take a chance and try once more. Don't let your worries weigh you down, down. You can still take flight, although you're earthbound. You're earthbound. Wish that I could be a little clever, find the words to tell you how I'm feeling. Come along, let's take this walk together. We're together, tell me I'm not dreaming. Wait for me, just take a look around you. Can't you see I'm happy that I found you? Through the rain, through the storm, and through the fire. Baby, please, my darling, won't you wait for me? Talk to me, let's have a conversation. Find the words to tell me how you're feeling. All I'm asking is have a little patience, little patience. I don't wanna be dreaming. Wait for me, just take a look around you. Can't you see I'm happy that I found you? Through the rain, through the storm, and through the fire. Baby, please, my darling, won't you wait for me? I admit that I get scared, but every moment that we share is something I would never wanna change. Come along, let's take this walk together. We're together, tell me